So I'm the first person to make a mini version of a LEGO Ninjago Arcade Pod. We got the detail on the back with this, and this was a bit hard because I had to use a 1x4 plate to make it more small, and we have the buttons. I couldn't find a yellow, so I used gold, but we got the texture on the side. Top looks pretty good. I got the exposed studs because there wasn't really any detail there. And if you're wondering what this is, let's just take it off. This is a 1x1 jumper plate in black. These are pretty, they're kind of rare pieces. You can usually find them in Overwatch sets. But, yeah. There's also a inverted. Wait, no, this is the inverted one. The regular is just in gray, but I got creative with this. I couldn't find 3 of these. I only found 1, so I just did this. So I got like 4 1x1 bricks and 6 1x2 plates. Put 3 on each, and there you go. You got a 1x2 brick. Same with 1x1s. So this might take a while to do the building because I didn't really find that much of these, but I couldn't find a yellow, so I used a gold windshield here. I almost got every detail. I couldn't find a red or yellow 1x4, no, 2x2 brick, and I'm just gonna break this apart and then show you how to build it. This may take a few seconds, so just skip if you want. It's gonna take a while. Don't click off the video yet, even though you might have. But if you haven't, congratulations. You're almost ready for the tutorial. And for some reason, there's a lot of pieces. And I'm not taking these apart because they really stick together. But you don't need like the 1x1s I used. You can just use 1x4s. I just ran out of 1x4s, so I used that. Same with this. I couldn't find another regular 1x2, so I had to use this and then covered it up. I couldn't find one of these. But if you have another one of these just laying around, you can use it. You need 3 of these. So I'm just gonna put them in their own little areas real quick. I might edit this out. Oh, whoops. It's almost done. And there we go. Now let's get to the tutorial. Tutorial stuff, yeah. No music because I can't tell what's copyrighted and not. No, I don't need that. No. Yeah, something on it. Never mind, I opened the sticker, so got it off. Oh. Is that it? No. Wait, back. Now let's do the back side. Take your 1x4 brick. Get another if you have one. And then if you have another, then get it, and then you'd just have the wall, and then there you go, the wall. Where is it? Okay, there it is. Then take your. Well, I'm using these 1x1s because you can't really see them, so that's a good place to put them. Put that there. Take and get a clear 1x2 brick, or if you don't have one, you can just use a black, or just stack 3 1x2 blacks up. Oh wait, I messed up. Supposed to add one of these. Then you. Oh. It's crooked. It can get crooked, so just fix it if you want. Stack 2 red 1x1 studs. Do that with the other side, just like this, and you should have this. And then get your 2 1x1 cylinders in yellow if you want to make my version. But yeah, you would already know the pieces that I used. Then we need 2 more 1x1 red studs. Put that there. Get a 1x4, 1x2, a 2x4. That's what it is. I was like, what was the name? But then we just stack one of. This is kind of like it, but it's a 2. And this is just a gray slope, dark gray. And then you get your weird looking blue transparent 1x2 tile, no studs, or studs if you have either. But I'd recommend one of the no stud. Oh, and I forgot to mention, then we get the 2 brackets. Put them on each side. By the way, this is my first YouTube video. Then you take your final 2 1x1 tiles in red, no stud. Put them on the stud that's not on the side. Then you get 2 red cheese slopes and put them on the side. The tilt like going down like this. And that that's the tutorial. I hope you enjoy and you build it. Goodbye.